Hi, and welcome to Brand Central, where serious business owners come to grow their brand fast, on and off Amazon. The question I got today from someone who is thinking about setting up on Amazon from Canada. The question is, if you have a Canadian company, what rights and protections can you expect in the USA for trademarks? The answer, of course, is whatever you pay for it. Having a Canadian company, or indeed any company from anywhere in the world, will give you some degree of protection in the jurisdiction that you are registered in. But to have a level of protection in an overseas country, you do need to first of all establish the use of a trademark. Now, this is also very important. In a lot of countries, usage is just as important as registration. That means that whatever name it is you want to trademark, you use that name. Better still, you add the TM at the end of that name to show everyone that you're using it not just as a name, but as a unregistered trademark, which means that you are planning to be the owner of it as a trademark, and indeed that you may register it in time, because the registration process takes some time. Once you have established use, that is very useful protection against anyone else, even against someone else who registers that same trademark. So registration isn't by any means the most important thing you can do. The most important thing you can do is use the trademark. But of course, a lot of people will tell you that registration adds icing on the cake, and indeed an additional degree of protection. Also demonstrates that you're serious and looks pretty good to people who are visiting your brand and seeing it for the first time. The owner of the registered trademark is clearly planning to be there for a while. Registration is different in every country, but for the USA it is the USPTO where you go to register a trademark, and it will cost over $1,000 to do it, and then every 5 years you have to pay them some more money to demonstrate that you are either using it, or that if you're not using it, you've got a good reason for not using it. All patent offices worldwide and registered IP offices love to take your money and don't really give you much in return, but nonetheless the little R with a circle on it is quite a useful thing to have on your website, on your Amazon page, and anywhere else that you can use it. So that is the answer to the question. It doesn't matter what your company name is, it doesn't even matter what business name you're using on or off Amazon, it doesn't matter what domain names you have. To get IP protection in a particular country, you need to start using the trademark that you want to use in that country, and then, better still, you register it. If you are thinking of a business structure for this, think of the product where you might have an unregistered trademark, the brand where you might register the trademark, because then you can have multiple products under one brand, and above that a business name and then a company name. Hope that's helpful. Come to brandcentral.com for more training and tips and access to resources and tools like this. Thanks very much.